Not like that. Like this. Okay. All families over here right now. Too much traffic here. Okay. 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 You cannot run, Stephen.
Screw walking, I have my Autobot.
You have Autobot?
Yeah.
And last year?
Yeah.
Cheer! You need to wait. Looks like a Las Vegas. What do you think, Stephen? You want my ID? I have my ID. We have to present one valid ID upon entry. Look at the place. Beautiful. Look at it. That's a nice family start over there. Fantastic. Sorry. Had to go there. That's how it is. You look like a candy land. He's running around everywhere. Look at this. Come on, Stephen. You okay? You waiting for the food?
I want to play.
You want to play? Wait. Let's take a picture, then we'll go in that side. One by one.
Oh my
Okay?
God.
You need to wait. Wow. Look at the place over there. Here. Abby, hold this one. Yeah. Yes, Stephen. Good for you.
I was like this.
Like this?
It was struggling.
Struggling?
I was like this. Like
It is not that weight, Stephen.
He's not. He's heavy for
Heavy?
me.
Wow, Stephen. Beautiful, right? Nice. Wow, look at this. Okay, come. Let's go here. Let's go here. Oh. Wow. See that? Nice? Okay, come, let's go. Thank you. Good to meet you.
I want play.
You want to play?
Yes.
Not yet, not yet.
Dad,
Hmm.
he picked me up.
He beat you up?
Yes.
Yeah. Don't go with him.
Okay.
So we both wearing blue.
Yeah.
We are team blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brother too.
Wait, there's a light show there.
Oh my God.
You will lost in the. Okay. Fools can pass by. Stephen, come here. Nice, huh?
Unicorn, Jill.
Unicorn?
It's a train.
Okay. We can't even cross anywhere. Too much Photoshop going on over here right now.
Yeah, that will take 4 hours.
Yeah.
And Lola find me and Jill. Oh, now I need to wait for another hour. Where's the
Let's
train?
let's check the train.
Let's go.
Let's check the train. Beautiful right now. Look at that. Jill, do you like it?
Where is the food?
Food?
Oh, yes, that's the thing I want.
Stephen, look like a maze. You lost it. Look like a lotus garden. Jill, do you like it? Wow.
Where did you go?
There's a line for the bar and the restaurant. There's a line again. Wow. It's a live music going on over there. Window